Good morning, everybody. This is Robin from Roaming with Rover, and today is Sunday, December 14th. We are on the 14th day of our Advent calendar unboxing. This is the Caterpillar CrossStitch 2025 Advent calendar, and we are having just a really good time unboxing each one of these. Each day there is a separate little item, and then when you turn it around, it's making a scene on the box. So let's take a look at today's item. It is number 14 right here. And I forgot to pre-open it, so let's do that right now. Let's see if we can get this open without tearing it. Oh, it's coming, it's coming. We got it. Oh, only tore it a little bit. Okay. So, stack of presents for the day, for the 14th day. And it says, oh, otters hold hands while sleeping. Otters hold hands while sleeping. Isn't that adorable? I love otters. I love them. They are so cute. And, you know, it's probably one of those things where if you actually hang out with them, maybe they're not as cute and adorable as they look, but I think they are. I think they're cute and adorable. So I'm very excited when I get to see an otter. All right, let's see what's in our box. No movement. No sounds. Oh, more thread. Floss, more floss. Okay, looks like we've got three colors of floss. So we have 833 and Blanc, which is their white. Blank. And I think it's 310. Yep, 310 is black. 310 is black. So you can see the numbers right there. That's the number that you're looking for when you're digging through trying to find your colors. And then the white is, it says, can you see that there? Blanc. Blank. There you go. I think there's one that's called a crew. And I think those are the only ones that don't have numbers, and everything else has a number. You would think that white would be number one, but it is not. And then this pretty gold. And I think these are going to go with the Santa picture that we got the other day. I would guess. Because these are going to look good against that blue fabric. Yeah. Oh, there you can see really well there. Okay, let's put the floss away. Typically when you are cross stitching, so this floss, so the trick is to pull the end from the side with the long label with the number. That's the trick, kind of like how to start a ball of yarn, if I can find it. Usually they're real easy to find. There it is. So there's the end of your floss, and you pull it out just like that, and then you cut some off. You don't want to cut much more than about this much. So I do about 1 arm's length. And then there are 6 strands. Can you see that? 6 strands of floss in here. Let's see if I can get that to separate out a little bit more so you can see. There you go. I can see it pretty good. And when you're cross stitching, it'll tell you on the instructions how many strands of floss to use. It's very common to use 2 strands of floss for your main body and then 1 for your outline, or 3 and 2. The current project I'm working on, the one that is on that cotton fabric that is so difficult to work with, because it's so thin and doesn't have any body to it, I'm using 4 strands of floss. So I'm using 4 strands for my main project, and I'm outlining with 2 strands. So I'm going through a lot of floss, but it's all white. The whole project is done in white. So I'll be showing you guys that pretty soon. All right, let's put this back, number 14. There we go. Oh, look, we've got the owl in the trees, and the tree with the owls. So that'll show up in tomorrow's picture. All right, tomorrow we'll be back to normal, and we'll be doing our teas, and we'll be doing our catching up on this little project, our 12 Days of Christmas project. Thank you so much for joining me. Please like, please subscribe, and please pop this over to somebody who you think might enjoy it. We'll see you guys later. Bye-bye.